Okay, just I'll give an update for American friends. Hurricane Helene is approaching quickly. The time is the Eastern time, 9:29 p.m. Eastern time out there in the States. Obviously, it's 2:30 in the morning here in the UK, in London. Winds of up to 140 miles an hour come in, and there is lots of lightning in the area, lots of localised flooding. I will show you a lightning map now. Okay, so this is the current lightning map. Sorry, just getting as much info as I can. Apparently, Florida, 500,000 people are without power. 500,000 people without power. One person has been killed. Unfortunately, was hit by a road sign on that that was in their vehicle. So be safe. And I'll say there's 140-mile-an-hour winds coming. I will show you that on another map. I will give you some more info in a second. So this is the movement over the next hour or so, moving northeast, gathering momentum. Sustained winds of 115 miles an hour or greater are expected. Extreme hurricanes are imminent and happening now. Take immediate shelter in the interior portion of your house. Keep covered and stay safe. I will update with anything else I have shortly. But there you go. That is what you've got coming at the moment. There's also lots of like flooding, as I say, and also up here in Carolina, Charlotte is being hit hard. So stay safe, everyone. There's lots more to come by the looks of it. As soon as I can if I can get any more info, I will upload it as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching, and take care all. Just go back to the other images for you. Lots of lightning strikes still. Like I say, lots of people without power. This is a plot map of the last 5 hours, I believe, or 6 hours more. I will trim this in, and as you can see, it's coming to land. Right, take care all, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.